Hello and welcome to this TikTok training. In this training, I will be showing you how to run your first TikTok ad. And if you've never run a TikTok ad, heads up, it's almost identical to Facebook ads. So let's get into it. As you can see, I'm in the TikTok Business Manager here, and I have my ad accounts, a lot like you'd have Facebook ads and my members here. And so you just want to make sure you are in the ad accounts, so that way you can run the ads. And jumping over to the Ads Manager, here we go. So your dashboard is going to look very similar to your Facebook ad dashboard, as well as your Create Ad section. As you can see here, awareness, consideration, conversion. It says the same exact thing in Facebook ads. And one of the huge benefits of TikTok ads is, compared to other ad platforms, is that you can drive traffic. Now, yes, you can do that on Facebook, but you can't do that on every ad platform. For example, I know you can't do that on Hulu ads. And not just that, you can track conversions. So it's very powerful when it comes to advertising. And so let's get into building out our first ad campaign. Now this is going to be a traffic ad to our website. And we're going to say spend $50 a day doing this. Already on to the next level, the ad group. So if you think of the ad group, that's going to be everything that's under the hood of your ad engine here. And so meaning your targeting, your ad budget, locations, demographics, interests, categories, and also things like, are you using a pixel? So we are using a pixel on the website. I will create another video of how to do that. Once again, it's just like Facebook. I'm going to be adding it between the head tags. Placement. So I'm going to only want to show this on TikTok to ensure my targeting is very narrow and showing who I want it to. And once I really start finding some winning ads, that's when I might expand my reach to other platforms. User comments and video downloads. Let's give them the opportunity to comment so we can get some feedback. And we are also going to automate the creative optimization, so TikTok can show ads to exactly who they feel will click really more often. And also show the ad that performs best, really. So if that's a video or a graphic. And so we're going to be targeting the US. And so there are really cool options here. If you did want to, for example, remarket to website visitors, and you had a pixel installed on that site, a TikTok pixel, you can do that. So for example, here I have an audience just set up, page view 30 days. And since we had just set this up, there's not any size yet, but you can do a lot more than that. You can say, hey, I want to target this email list, or people that watch the video, or remarket those that have used the app. You can even do things like create lookalike audiences. So once again, very familiar to Facebook. Jumping back, we're not going to use any of this audience targeting yet, and we're also not going to use any gender. Now, I'm personally going to be showing an ad about digital coffee and how you can run ads for your business on TikTok. And so I'm going to say, hey, let's hit those entrepreneurs that are 25 plus. And I'm going to be showing this in English. And now this is where we might be getting a lot of questions. So for example, who can you target on TikTok ads? Well, here you go. All types of people in terms of their interest. And so if I'm a car dealership or car magazine, if I'm a school, if I'm a financial advisor, bank, a pet company, sports equipment, electronics. So you definitely do interests. You can also do categories. So for example, somebody that might be interested in games, in your video game. This would be wise to show them this audience that ad for your video game or app game. And there are all types of targeting options here, okay? And I'm really going to leave my targeting very broad. I'm just going to try and let my ad speak to the entrepreneur. If they click it, it tells me that they are one. Very broad in the beginning. And I'm going to be showing this to all operating systems, all OS versions, no Wi-Fi issues, or 2G, 3G, 4G. For example, if you're a carrier, you want to target certain people. And Device price, we're not going to set any budgets on any particular devices, so nothing there. Very broad to start. Just want to see what type of cost per click I can generate. Daily budget, here we're going to set this to 20 bucks within this ad group. So at a campaign level, we're 50. At an ad group level, we're 20. And because I'm going to have more than one ad group, I'm going to run this continuously, no end dates, no specific times. If you're a restaurant or some other business, you can see how a happy hour special or something like that could be a value here. Holiday special, Black Friday, Christmas, Hanukkah, anything you want to do. Bid control. So if I had an idea of, hey, I definitely don't want to pay more than 50 cents cost per click here, I might put that. However, I'm going to leave that open for now with the market to tell me, hey, this is what people are going to pay. An optimization event. We want to optimize around a button click. So if they start booking a call with us on our website, then that'd be helpful for us to know and optimize around. And finally, we're going to keep this US, male, female, 25 plus. Here's our ad group, very broad. Once again, this is only one ad group. We'll set up many. And now we are in the ad section. So this is going to be what everyone does see. And this is going to be me, Matt, talking to entrepreneurs, to the local business owner. Right, and let's go ahead and upload it. So I'm going to grab it from here. And if you're ever confused on TikTok placements, you can easily search that. TikTok has tons of documentation out there for what your media needs to look like. And here we go. So one thing is your video size, other is what's actually within the view. See, there's like icons over here. You don't want your copy to be in the way of any of this stuff. And here I am, about to talk to the camera. And here's my ad
here
running
on a jog in sunny South Florida. You can tell
sunny South Florida. All right. So, and here I am talking to business owners about wanting to run TikTok and YouTube ads.
If you want to run YouTube ads just like this, or your small business, please contact me. My name's Matt.
Done. Simple as that. We're going to get clicks. And we're going to get good ones, because if you're not a business owner that wants to run YouTube ads, why would you click that? Display name, we're going to call this DigiCoffee. So you do not need a TikTok page to run a TikTok ad. The beauty of that compared to Facebook, where you need a personal ad, a personal profile and a business profile and a page. And text here, we're going to see something like ready to run ads on TikTok. Let's see how far we can go with it. All right. All right. There you go. Looking nice. Hopefully they allow us to write YouTube here. They may not. Tick, tick. There's obviously a typo. TikTok. Go for it. Want to run TikTok and YouTube ads for your local business? Book a free consult with our ad team now. Run TikTok and YouTube ads. However, it is a little bit redundant. So why don't we do something even better here? Something like see our case studies. That way they go on our website. We can even start testing this here. So everyone could be TikTok and YouTube ads for business. I should have got better. Growing TikTok ads for business. For your, I don't know, TikTok and YouTube ads for TikTok and YouTube ads. All right. Free strategy. Free, I got that. Free, click a free consult. Ads for local business. All right. Okay, you got 5 different texts. You have a display name, got a call to action, learn more, low commitment. All right, we're not asking them to sign up or anything just yet. Let's just get them to click. And you can add more call to actions there if you'd like, just to test and say, all right, sign up. And we can say contact us. See which ones perform better. And we're gonna have them go to the Digit Coffee YouTube ads page. No, that's not it. Let's go to Digit Coffee. And shoot something like this. There it is. All right. Profile image. This can be your logo. Add ours. Perfect. We are off to the races. Want to run TikTok and YouTube ads for your local business? A video of Matt. Book a free consult with our ad team now. YouTube ads for business. And of course, all these other variants. Got our pixel there. We are ready to fire off an ad. And you saw how easy that was to do. So look at all these ads we got here. And you can of course add promotional music if you'd like to. Don't want it to have that soundtrack over for just yet. So let's go for it. We're gonna hit submit. See if we can get this approved. Congratulations, you just launched your first TikTok ad.